Hi, my name is Eduardo Flores, and this is the test for using the matrix keypad of the last task. Um, and in this task, I need to make a code to to ask to the user which is the password and ask if the password is right or is incorrect. So to do this and also of that I need to make a, that the user can change um, his password. So I'm going to explain my code, and I'm using two different functions, and then I'm using the last code in which I know I know which is the button that is pressed. For example, and know something like that with that. For example, in the last task, I just put on the display, which is the number that is appear on the um on the matrix keypad. Sorry. So I'm going to play my code. First, I need to show you some variables. For example, I have a C. This is a counter to know how many uh, button was pressed. Uh, this array that is an integer that has the default password. In this case, 1234, and other array about the new password that is not defined. And I have two different variables about boolean. This is to know if the user wants to change um, their password, and this is used in the case that the password is failed. So I'm going to play this part. We have two functions: change password and password compare. In this case, I'm going to explain password compare. So the function password compare get an variable integer in which we ask if the 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 variable have the same um this if the variable doesn't have the the same value about the password. For example, in this case, the we have an array in which in the first time c it's equal to 0. So in the array the position is 0. So we are asking if the password position 0 is not equal to n. In the case that is true, I mean is equal, is not equal, sorry, the the variable kfl changed to true. and and we suppose that the with just one number that is incorrect, all the password is incorrect. But in case it's not, is is equal to the same the position, we know that the password is correct. We just need one to know that this that is incorrect, um, after that we are increasing the counter, um, use and ask if the counter is equal to 4. That's because the password has um a hey sorry a side of for the digitals. So um, we ask if that is the case. If it is the case, we are going to ask, is k fail is true or false. In the case it's not, it's false, we know that the password is correct. We put that on the display, and we change some register on the PSOC, that is some lets to know if the the box, in this case is a safe box, is open or is closed. And in case this is the key fail is false, we know that this is incorrect, so we put on the display that is incorrect. um and well, after that we put the counter equal to 0 to put again other password. And I'm forgetting change the value about the and key fail. But well, no, it's not here, sorry, here. Because when the user needs to put other other password, he needs to try again, and it needs to be on false. That's it. Well, it's a simple function. Is not very difficult. The thing is this: because we have changed password that get a variable integer, and has the same thing, because uh, we ask about which is the new number that the user wants to put, like, um, as his password. So for example, in this case, we ask the same thing that uh, to put on the array new password, the new the new password. In the case that is 4, I mean the counter has the all the digital that it needs. um well, but that's just put all the new password on the array, on the all that array, and just put it on the display some message, and change the LEDs. And we can put here the old array, but this has other function, like ask if the password, if you are agreed to change the password. So it's our function that we can add on the software. So after that, we go to the switch case, when we ask which is the button that is pressed, in this case of all of this, and put the following instructions. We ask if the variable change is not true. If that is the case, we just pass the value over the function password compare, depending on which is the button. For example, in this case, this is for the button 4, we just pass the number 4 on the password compare. Well, if the user wants to change his password, we need to put it in one button. For example, in this case, uh, I was putting that on the I I don't know which the number on English, but I think it's like cat or the symbol of hashtag. Um, for example, this, when the user press that button, we change the value of the variable change, and put some message on the display, and change some values of on the this on the LEDs. And well, that's it. If the change is true, we pass the value over the function change password. That's the way that we know uh, which is the task that we need to do. For example, if it is just compare which is the password, it's do this. If the user wants to change the password, is this. That's all. And for example, well, and in this case, we have other button that to close the save box. In this case, for example, and in this, we change the value, and all the values change again. You know, we can add some things in this button. For example, if we add a servo motor, we can change the value of the servo here to close the box, and request the password. um Something that I don't I have forget explain is that the password, when you put the password with the four digitals, uh, the function makes the compare and say you if it's correct or incorrect without the necessary to press other button. And well, that is all of the of the new code. It's very simple and it's not very complicated. And that's it. Thank you.